Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Brahmatur Adventures. Today I am taking you to Nehru Park, one of the very important place of Delhi. That is just near the embassy area, and that is the park where the people are coming here for recreation. It is evening time, and full of people you can see over here. The vehicles are parked outside and outside. We can see over here. And today being the Sunday, and a lot of people we can see over here, and you see that is fountain. I think it is recently been opened here because earlier it was non-functional, and it is very beautiful, and a lot of people has come here to spend the time on this evening. We can see over here the beautiful, that is the fountain. This place, Nehru Garden, is in the middle of the very first area, and that is the Chanakyapuri area on that side, and all the embassies areas are there, and on the other side of it we can see over here, and we can see here a lot of people coming from the embassies areas in the morning and afternoon for jogging. There are jogging track and all the sides. This track is of 7 kilometers surrounding areas of this park. We can see over here the people are doing here the open gym. We can see over here open gyms and a lot of children, women, and we can see over here the group of people that have come here for some family gatherings. You can see over here that is another side of the park. Yeah, that is in the middle of this pond. We can see over here. They're very beautiful, well carpeted here. We can see the beautiful design. Yeah, we can see over here. So beautiful place. You can see a lot of people standing on all the sides and doing some exercises and the family gatherings. That's a very beautiful place. Over here we can see that is very beautiful, and a lot of people have come for recreation. Thank you. This is a rose garden of the park, Nehru Park. This park is near the Chanakyapuri embassies area. That is surrounded by the embassies of so many countries of the world. You can see over here people from the overseas, from the embassy people. We can see over here all the nationalities of the world. We can see here, coming here in this garden and spending the time. We can see here some Arabian countries sitting over here, and they are from some Asian countries. We can see, and that side also have seen. So that is the place we can say the international center here, because it is surrounded by the embassies of the world countries, and this park is in the middle. And the morning and the evening we can see over here people jogging around this park, and the beautiful far in the past areas. We can see it's 6 to 7 kilometers radius of this park. So you can see that is the rose garden in the middle of the park. We can see that side of the vast side and that side also. We can see here. Yeah, that is the beautiful place. We can see the all kinds of rose, and it is the month of February. That is the season of the rose. We can see here the rose blooming. In fact, it is going to be now. It is the month of February is going to end, and in the summer season, what season is approaching, so it will dry off. We can see here all the colors of the rose, the red rose, the white rose. We can see over here. That is the pool of seasonal flowers here, the pansy, the gladiolus. We can see a lot of pansies coming out beautifully here, and it has been designed. See, that is wonderful and very beautiful garden, and this flowers is beautifying, and that is another part of Nehru Park here, and that is on our side we can see a lot of the palm trees here, and we can see the rock carving here in this park. You can see it is so beautiful, and people are doing some exercise and some kind of sports here. The badminton, people are playing in the pass field here on the side. There's a lot of surfing birds we can see, we can hear, and the martins, the parakeets, and all kinds of surfing of birds we can hear. Even the sound of the squirrels we can hear. A lot of squirrels we show on the side, and a lot of parakeets we show on the other side. Sorry, I just want to take this Nehru Park, huh? Don't mind. Park. We can see the vast park here. It is flowers, full of flowers, the fancy, lilies, marigold, and that is water lily. That is the form of Sony. That is marigold we can see here, and that's all this is. There's the fancy flowers. And here we can see a lot of beautiful flowers. We can see here and see that is another kind of flowers. So beautiful. It's a colorful. I don't know exactly the name of this flower. You can see there is like some kind of cabbage or mustard plants here, but it is very beautiful and so colorful leaves. You can see here. Wonderful. Today is Sunday, that is 28th of February, and it is evening time, so we can hear a lot of bird surfing, the parakeets and the seven sisters birds, the screaming of squirrels, the surfing of crows, parakeets, Martin, dove, and pigeons. And you can see the kite flying over. Beautiful, yes. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, Brahmatur Adventures. That is the end time of the visiting of Nehru Park of New Delhi near Chanakyapuri embassies area. It is 6:30 p.m. now and getting dark, and it is we can see the fountains, a beautifully designed fountain here of all colors here we can see over here. So it is a very wonderful visit to this Nehru Park of New Delhi in the Chanakyapuri area. Chanakyapuri is known to be the embassies area. Countries all over the world have the embassies in this area, and people of the embassy come over here and do jogging in the morning and in the evening, and during the holidays most of the embassies people come here and spend time in the evening, and there's some beautiful, and today is 20th of February 2021, and it is very pleasant weather, not so cold and not so hot. That is so beautiful, and we can see a lot of people visiting here. We can see this fountain, the very colorful fountains over here. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Brahmatur Adventures. If you like it, I promise that I will bring you more and more exciting and adventurous videos for you in the coming days. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.